Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up application for your headphone Sony on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write Sony. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it, read, select a region here and then click Start. Agree, agree. OK. Hello. Next. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!